I briefly want to cover what will be taught in the Selenium WebDriver section of the course. Now, this is kind of just a general higher level overview. Each of the topics that I'm about to show you represents anywhere between 1 to multiple hours of content, depending on the topic, of course. So, the very first thing you'll do whenever we get to the Selenium section is you're going to learn how to install all the tools that you need to work with Selenium WebDriver. Then I'll teach you a little bit about what Selenium WebDriver is and its purpose. Next, I'll teach you element identification, manipulation, and interrogation. You'll basically learn how to work with elements and perform the appropriate actions with them that you require. Next, I'll teach you mouse and keyboard interactions. In these sections, you'll learn how to perform things like drag and drop, mouse hovers, how to send keyboard keys to the web applications. Next, I'll teach you implicit and explicit waits. Implicit and explicit waits are critical to understanding synchronization techniques of Selenium WebDriver. Afterwards, you'll learn some bad test automation practices. These are things that you should never do, and these are things that you should stay away from. Then you'll learn a couple good practices for test automation, such as the page object pattern, the dry principle, and test-driven development to develop our test automation framework. This is a new and fantastic way to drive development of automation frameworks. You'll see how fantastic it is when we get to that section. Afterwards, I'm going to teach you how to automate multiple applications. We'll spend numerous hours here writing a ton of automated tests for different kinds of applications and learning different kinds of skills. Then we'll wrap things up with logging and reporting. You'll add logging and reporting to your test automation framework to be able to generate fantastic logs and beautiful HTML reports. And with all of that, we'll finish up our course, we'll say our goodbyes, and we'll be the best automation engineers.